Health insurance is a type of insurance coverage that helps individuals and families pay for medical expenses. It provides financial protection against the high costs of healthcare, including doctor visits, hospitalization, prescription medications, and other medical services. Here are some key aspects of health insurance. One. Premium. This is the amount you pay to the insurance company on a regular basis, usually monthly or annually, to maintain your health insurance coverage. 2. Deductible. This is the amount you must pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in. For example, if you have a $1,000 deductible, you will be responsible for paying the first $1,000 of covered medical expenses before your insurance starts paying. Three. Co-payments, co-pays. These are fixed amounts you pay for certain services, such as doctor visits or prescription medications. For example, you may have a $20 copayment for a doctor's office visit. Four. Coinsurance. Once you've met your deductible, coinsurance is the percentage of the cost you are responsible for paying. For example, if you have a 20% coinsurance, you will pay 20% of the covered medical expenses, and your insurance will cover the remaining 80%. 5. Out-of-pocket maximum. This is the maximum amount you have to pay in a given year for covered medical expenses. Once you reach this limit, your insurance will typically cover 100% of the cost for covered services. 6. Network. Health insurance plans often have a network of doctors, hospitals, and other healthcare providers with whom they have negotiated discounted rates. Using in-network providers can result in lower out-of-pocket costs for you. 7. Pre-existing conditions. Health insurance plans are generally prohibited from denying coverage or charging higher premiums based on pre-existing conditions. Under the Affordable Care Act in the United States, for example, insurers cannot exclude coverage for pre-existing conditions. It's important to carefully review the details of your health insurance policy, including coverage limits, exclusions, and any restrictions on certain treatments or services. Different insurance plans offer varying levels of coverage, so it's crucial to select a plan that suits your needs and budget. Additionally, health insurance coverage can vary significantly depending on the country and specific insurance provider. Policies may also differ in terms of coverage for services such as dental care, vision care, mental health treatment, and prescription drugs. It's advisable to consult with an insurance agent or broker to understand the specifics of health insurance plans available in your area.